In this tutorial, I show you how to turn on birthday notification from your account on Facebook. You will go to your account on Facebook and then you will go to your profile and then you will scroll down until you see edit public details. After you click on edit public details, you will scroll down again and then click on edit your about info. Again, you will scroll down and then go into your birthday here and then click on this pin. Here you will say your birthday. You will change your months, only me, and at the same thing to your year. But here if you want to don't see the notification from others, you will go to menu and then you will go to setting and privacy and then you will click on setting and then you will go to the notifications. After you click on notifications, here you will see the birthdays. Here, as you see, you're gonna turn off this allow notification on Facebook and then click on turn off. And now you will never see a notification from others on your account on Facebook. At the same thing to your birthday and at the same thing to your birthday.